Hey, this is Dwayne the Clock Guy. I have a really cool clock I want to show you today. It's a Seth Thomas, which seems to be a theme, probably because Seth Thomas makes some really nice clocks, and they're of good quality. Let's take a look at it. This is a Seth Thomas 1942 Falsbury model. It is a Westminster Chime, as you can see by the 3 winding arbors. They did make this in electric. It is walnut and walnut veneer. It has the nice Art Deco see-through chapter ring. It's one of the things I like about this clock. If you turn it around, this clock is in really good condition. It's nice. It has its workhorse, the Model 124 movement, Westminster Chime. They really got their money's worth out of this movement in the 20s through till they stopped making the movement, I think in the 50s, if I'm not mistaken. I don't have the exact date off the top of my head. You can see the 7 for August and 42. It's the reverse dating, so it's August of 1942 this clock was made, and you can confirm that with a 4 of 1942 when the movement was made. That's another way of Seth Thomas makes these very easy to date. They're not brass chime rods, as they often are. Maybe brass was in short supply in 42. Probably for making brass cases for ammunition. I hope you enjoyed that. This is the Clock Guy saying thanks for watching.